The next step includes adding your bank details under the bank provider section. To receive your salary, you must complete all required fields, including your account holder identity, financial institution, and the name of your bank or credit union. Enter your bank account number and reconfirm it to ensure accuracy. Then enter the routing number, which is a 9-digit number specific to your bank. Select the appropriate account type, either savings or checking, as applicable. After verifying all details, save the direct deposit information. The following step involves selecting your pay frequency. Choose between the two available options: weekly payroll or semi monthly payroll. Select the option based on your employment terms. Once this is completed, your onboarding process will be successful. It is recommended to wait at least 10 minutes before logging in again to start using your account